Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So yeah, I decided to finally build this little kit. I unboxed it a couple weeks ago. It's a pretty straightforward build. It is something that's actually kind of really fun to put together. So if you're on the fence about getting it, I would say get it. It is a fun build. It is like, it'll take you a couple hours depending on how depending on how you work. But it's definitely something that can be done. It looks kind of intimidating when you first sort of get all the pieces out, but trust me, it's not as bad. Just go step by step by the instructions, take your time, and don't force anything so you don't break anything. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of weathering because
Tony Stark
didn't
build this in a cave
by getting a bunch of merchandise, brand new merchandise from like Lowe's or another big box store. Other hardware suppliers are available. This is not sponsored. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace or anything. I don't have any allegiance to anyone. Except for you. What he did do was
build this in a cave with a box of scraps.
So I decided that it needed a little bit of weathering so that it looked a little more like it should. I just did a very subtle little bit, but I think it goes a long way and just gives it a little bit of wear. And I just wanted to give a shout out to a channel, and it's Monkaboo Projects. And we're working on a project. If you want to follow you want to follow all the updates and stuff for the project, follow hashtag. Wait, it's called project. Hang on, it's I got it right here. It's project heart project arc. Heartburn React Gress Tony Gress React Arc Reactor hashtag. Follow that and you'll be able to follow the updates and all the progress of look, we make a lot of stuff. Hashtags is not one of them, all right? We're still working on the hashtag, but go subscribe to Monkaboo Projects and check out what she's making. It's gonna be an add-on to this project because she's gonna send me one, which is cool. Thanks. And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!